how to download Falou on your phone. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can download Falou on your phone, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your device just like I have done here, and then if you're using an Android phone, ensure you scroll down and go to your Play Store. But if you are using an iPhone, ensure you go to your Apple Store. Whichever one, just ensure that you go to your store where you get application from. And then once you've gotten to the store, on the home page, you'll see several games, won't you? And then once you can see all these applications, go to the top part of the screen where you can see a search box. Click on this search box and then type out the name of the app which you are looking for. In this case, it is Falou. So just type it out that way. Okay, and then click on the search icon. And after clicking on it, automatically the Falou application will pop up, and then just click on install, and then you wait for it to be downloaded. So once it has been downloaded, it would install automatically on your mobile phone, and then from there, once it is done installing, the install button or the install icon that you can see on Play Store will change to open, and then you can just open the application, create an account, and do whatever you want to with it, and then learn as many languages as you can learn on Falou. So this is how it works. This is how you can get this application on your phone. Thanks for watching and have a good day.